Hi, welcome to the Macintosh Performa. I'm here to show you around so you can really get to know your computer and what it can do for you.
Ow!
Sorry, this panel is called the launcher. The buttons inside the launcher are 4 different subjects here in the learning section. The exit arrow lets you exit the demo and go straight to the desktop if you wish, but stick around. I've got lots to show you. I'll guide you through each topic one by one, or you can jump straight to any topic you want by simply clicking it. If you already know how to use a mouse, we strongly suggest you begin right here, the guided tour. And that's just a sample of what's inside. Click here and we'll get started. If you don't know how to use a mouse, your first stop should be mouse skills. If you'd like to practice using the mouse, either click here or press the letter M on your keyboard.